What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to use the remote start feature on a 2023 Jeep Renegade. So taking a look at the Jeep Renegade key fob, this button here that's almost a full circle and has the X2 on it, that's going to be the remote start button. In order to use the remote start, I'm just going to press that button twice quickly. The vehicle will respond by beeping and then starting. The Renegade will run for 15 minutes before automatically turning itself off if we don't get in and put the ignition to the on position. If we want to cancel the remote start, turn the Renegade off before we've gotten in it, we'll just press the remote start button one time. And then it turns the vehicle off. Let's go ahead and remote start it again. Now, in order to drive the Renegade as we normally would, we'll need to unlock it and then get in. And just as you normally would, what you'll need to do is press the brake, stop start button, and now you're ready to drive as normal. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.